Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys iqoo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to increase phone sleep time on iqoo phone. Friends, your phone just sleep second minute. Friends, you want to increase, so friends, how to increase today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how to change phone sleep time on iqoo phone. Friend, first you will have to open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of settings. So friend, you will have to click on iqoo phone display and brightness setting. Friends, we will click on display brightness. After on display brightness guys, you can see first your brightness level setting. So friends, you want to set your brightness level, so you can set, you can adjust, right side will increase and left side you can decrease it. And second option, adaptive brightness, you can see here you want to on guys adaptive brightness. So after on adaptive brightness, brightness will decrease automatic and increase automatic. So I will off it this setting. Eyes protection mode guys, you want to enable, you want to set your schedule time eyes protection mode, so you can schedule from here. So when scroll it, click on screen time mode and you can increase guys your phone sleep time from here. So how to increase, friends, choose any phone sleep time like 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes guys. If you click this 2 minutes, so after 2 minutes your phone will sleep automatic. Hence you want to increase into 10 minutes, so guys click on 10 minutes. So hence your phone will not sleep for 10 minutes. And guys, don't tap on your screen iqoo phone after 10 minutes guys, your phone will sleep automatic if you do not tap. So guys, you will tap, so guys your time will start continue guys. So friends, you can increase your phone sleep time, and guys you can increase from your search bar. So guys, search here guys screen timeout setting, and guys tap here direct. Guys, you can increase from here your phone sleep time. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.